Hi, welcome to NSI Tools, the official NSI Solutions YouTube channel. NSI Solutions originated when Kris Jorgensen, a stone fabricator and shop owner, decided to improve the quality of the seams in his granite countertops. His solution was the Seam Phantom. Over 15 years later, we are still building Seam Phantoms and have expanded our products to include the sink bowl, the top polish kit, the Rapid Z line, the SL3 Family, twist SHIMs, and more products coming soon. We're a small company that believes if you pay for a tool, it should work well and it should last. Every new idea is a solution to one of the challenges encountered daily in our stone shop right next door. And each and every idea is used and refined in Kris's shop first to ensure that our products are high quality and actually work. On this channel, you can expect tutorials, product overviews, training, maintenance, and more. Click the follow or subscribe button to learn how you can get the highest quality and proficiency out of your stone shop. Thanks for watching.